In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outline View in Microsoft Word. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to manage a long document with multiple sections and headings, Outline View comes to your rescue. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the process of organizing content, giving you complete control over your document structure. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Word and your document. Navigate to the top of your screen to find the ribbon, which is the toolbar that contains all your tabs and tools for actions within Word. You're going to click on the View tab there. Under this tab, in the section labeled Views, you'll see an option for Outline. Click on it, and instantly you're going to notice a transformation in your document's appearance. In Outline View, your document will only display text that's formatted with built-in heading styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, and more. This selective format ensures you're focusing on the framework and flow of your content without getting distracted by the finer details. With this streamlined structure in front of you, a new Outlining tab appears on the ribbon. This tab is your control center for managing and reorganizing the outline view. Let's explore some of the outlining tools that are available for you to structure your document efficiently. You'll find options such as promote and demote, which allow you to adjust the hierarchy of your headings. For instance, if you want a subheading to become a main heading, you'd use the promote tool. Conversely, use the demote tool to make a main heading become a subheading under the one above it. It's that simple. Next, we have the move up and move down options, which do exactly what they sound like. They let you shift a heading along with all its subheadings, either up or down within your document. This means you can effortlessly reposition sections of your content without the hassle of cutting and pasting. The show level and show text options are your best friends for maintaining focus. The show level tool allows you to choose how many heading levels you want to see. If you wish to narrow down your view to just the main headings, you can adjust it accordingly. Meanwhile, show text can expand or collapse text under the headings, letting you focus either on the bare skeleton of your document or its detailed parts. Once you're satisfied with the structure and organization of your document, exiting Outline View is just as easy as entering it. Head over to the far right of the Outlining tab and click Close Outline View. This action will revert your document back to its previous view, preserving all the changes you've made to the structure and heading levels. And there you have it. Mastering the outline view in Microsoft Word not only streamlines editing large documents, but also enhances the clarity and effectiveness of your written content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.